Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about phonetic symbols and sounds. So in phonetic, it has 44 symbols and sound, 24 vowels and 24 for consonant. In phonetic, you will also learn about monophthong, diphthong, and triphthong. A monophthong is where there is one vowel in sound in a syllable, and diphthong is where there are two vowel sounds in syllable, and triphthong is a combination of two vowel and schwa, which we will only encounter in a British accent. So, let's listen to phonetic symbols and sound.
E, I, U, E, O, A, O, ear, air, O, ow, A, I, oi, seat, sit, good, food, head, teacher, girl, year, chair, joke, vow, had, cup, p, t, ch, s, sh, k, b, v, d, z, j, z, ž, g, h, r, o, w, y, pull, for, tree, teacher, stop, shoe, walk.
A monophthong, simple vowels, pure vowels, or stable vowels consists of only one vowel sound that does not change during its articulation. That is, it starts and ends with the same quality, and the speech organs don't change their position during its pronunciation. Diphthong is the complex vowel sounds that consists of two components. The first component is strong, or the nucleus, and the second part is short and weak, or the glide. Examples are ride, buy, brown, late, toy, and bowl. A diphthong is always stressed on its first main component. A triphthong is a complex vowel sound that consists of three components. Triphthong constitute diphthong plus schwa. Pay attention to the phonetic transcription for the following words. Examples: hire, fire, hour, hour. Triphthong usually occur in British English.